Hello, if you're new, welcome. I'm Kristen, and tonight we're going to be making this lemon garlic chicken pasta. To get this meal started, I first put some oil down into my chicken bowl, and then I seasoned it with lemon pepper, roasted garlic and herb, and Tony seasoning. Once you got it all the way mixed up, then take it and throw it over into the skillet. You want to cook it on both sides until they start looking a little golden. Chicken is one that I'll cook a little low so that I can flip it a few times and make sure that that thing is all the way done. To cook my pasta, I first added some chicken bouillon. This Nor's brand is actually really good. You don't have to use chicken broth if you use this. Put it down into some boiling water and then put in your pasta. I made this with egg noodles, but if you don't like egg noodles, you don't have to use that kind. To me, it made the dish taste that much better. Like I say, I cook my chicken low and slow, so it might take you a different time amount than it took me to cook my chicken, but cooking it low and slow, it took me about 20 minutes. Once your chicken is cooked, you want to remove it from the pan, and then we're going to go in and make the sauce. First, you want to add some minced garlic, and you got to be careful. You got to keep it moving because it can burn, and it will burn very easily. If you're going to use chicken broth, then this is where you add that, or you can do like I did and add in some water and your chicken bouillon. This Nor's chicken bouillon is honestly that good. Make sure that you have it all mixed up really well, and then go in and add you some lemon zest. I went lightly all the way around my lemon, and honestly I could have added even more. Next, you want to add in your heavy whipping cream and then mix it all up. Next, you want to add back in your chicken, let it come up to a boil, and then add in your Parmesan cheese. To plate this up, I put my noodles onto the plate, put my chicken over the top, and then put the sauce over the top of that. The last layer of flavor that I added was the black pepper, and then I went ahead and plated it up. Add you some Parmesan cheese over the top whenever you have it plated, and then bam, baby, dinner is done. If you haven't already, head over to my Patreon, get your download, grab your groceries, and come back tomorrow because we're going to be making some yummy, creamy beefy knot soup. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.